Alright, in this video I'm going to talk today about capabilities of bending in bar surfacing. So if you see here, this is like something like a hexagon or something. I just modeled a shape for an example, and I'm gonna use it to design a grill, maybe a car grill or something. So let's just copy it. I'm gonna copy, let me just remove the mirror, and I'm gonna copy it, and I'm gonna also make them merge it a little like this. So now select this two and repeat the process. Okay, you can select many and clone them, and I'm going to select them without the last one and put them down here. Make sure they also merged with the others. So I'm going to clone them again, except one, and do the same. Okay, maybe I'm gonna need to make it a little bit taller. So I'm gonna, okay, something like this. So as you see, this is a flat grill, totally flat. Now what we're gonna do is, using the bending feature, so in this case there's no mirror, so if you just go to bend from the mesh tools, select them all, and if I go to bend, you can see here, if I just choose it from the center of it, and it's that one here to up there, and I can make a little bit of angle here. So let's give it like 20 degree angle, and apply, do the same from here until here, and give it the same 20 degree. Okay, so if you look at here, you can see that we just bended all of these bodies easily without any problem. The same process from the right view, if I just selected all my bodies and go to mesh tools, select bend, and from here to here, and I can give it like this nice shape like this. Okay, so it's 45 degree as you see, and apply. So we have this nice look. I can probably just change the angle a little, as you see in here. So now we got the three views are bended. So that's the top view, got the front view, and we got the right view. Okay, so if you just need to complete the shape, I'm gonna insert a new planar surface here, and I'm gonna rotate this, and let's draw the rest of the shapes. Let me just convert this first to make sure it doesn't affect on the other bodies. Right, so here is our solid bodies. Now I'm gonna go insert new bar feature, apply, and rotate it 90 degrees. Now simply I'm gonna mirror from here, okay, and try to make a frame around it. You can use the subdue mode to make a better view. Okay. And press on mirror. Now this part is just mirrored. Let's insert some on here. Okay, so I'm gonna select this frame. I need to make it just a little bit thinner, and from here and this need to be a little bit up. Okay, and we can make this something like flat edge. So we're gonna repeat the same process, but in this case we have a mirror. So if I just selected all of this body and bend from the center, it's gonna bend the other way. So it was 20 degree like this. And the same stuff here. $45. Okay, and we just like this. Now let's just scale it a little. Alright, so you have all the angles with all the bendings, and everything looks great. Let's just move it slightly back. And this one needs to be okay, like this. Alright, now if I inserted an edge on the center and just crease it a little and give it something like an angle like this, increase the one inside and bevel it, crease again and extrude. So this one here is 32 crease it, so I'm gonna crease it 32 again. Okay, and from here we can crease and doing something like that. Let's do the 32 again here. Now we could probably hard edge those ones and bridge between them. And I need this from here to be flat. And center. I can insert an edge here and make some details in case of design for it. Now let's hit convert. So here our outer body, as you see in here. I can make slightly edit, and I can select this contour here and clone it. Now all I'm gonna do is clone again, inside, and smaller like that. Select the outer one, and I'm gonna flip this face. Now select this edge loops, bridge between them, make sure they are all creased, and here also, so we got something like this. And I'm gonna select it and go inside and make it just behind them. Okay, so this is gonna merge them all together. Let's convert now. And let's add the colors. Maybe this one gonna be black or red, or maybe chrome. Let's add a chrome here. And of course black for the grill. And the other one we just merged it with them. It's gonna be textured plastic. Okay, so we have all of these solid bodies. What I'm gonna do next is merging all of these bodies together to be just one body. Okay, so as you see, and let's make the materials again. Maybe if we got like a gold for this, or maybe red to let you see it. Alright, just for now, let's focus on the other things. I'm gonna model something here to the setup of the grill, something like a hinge or something here. Go to this plan we just created, and I'm gonna sketch on it, and a little square like that, and it's gonna be mirrored. Let's just control the dimensions, and it's gonna be maybe 25 here, and the length is 75, and let's give it a little bit fillets, maybe 7 or 8. Okay, now extrude this. Let me just mirror it before I just extrude. Center line here, and select all, mirror, and I'm gonna insert my circle. And extrude. So this is gonna be maybe 7 millimeters or 6 millimeters. Okay, now with the move copy faces, I'm gonna move it until here. Okay, move again and rotate a little. Now on the right plan, or just let me model a plan here. So I'm going to insert a plan on the center, and let me delete this body or hide this. Use mirror at this plan, and I'm going to select this body. Go to combine again and combine them together. Alright, now that's going to be plastic. And I'm gonna use the fillets. First, I'm gonna fillet this top and this bottom, and then give it a fillet around here. Okay, so let's try 10. Or maybe less. It's gonna be 5 millimeters. I'm repeating the same process here on the bottom and the top, and 5 millimeters. So as you see in here, we have this nice grill, and we just using the bending features on the bar surfacing. You can use fillet here also, because of this is hard creased edge. So if you look like here, and we probably could also make fillet expert and fill it between this hexagons. So maybe we can try this with the fillet expert and see if it's gonna make them all. Okay, let's select this, internal to future. And here we go, we have them merged. I just merged some of them to show you an example, and I'm gonna use a fillet. So as you see, I just colored them and they are just look merged. Now we have everything here, and also our solid. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learn it how to use the bend tool, and thanks for watching.